Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Binet. Today I'm going to show you on Microsoft Word shortcut keys. Welcome, let's go. Very first shortcut is Ctrl+N. This is how to create a new document. Let's try. So if I have this document, I can create a new one by just holding Ctrl+N. As you can see, is document number 2, and if I can close it, we will go back to the initial document 1. Ctrl+N. This is another document. So let's go to our number 2. Ctrl+O or Ctrl+O. This is to open a new document. Ctrl+O. So you'll open the new document from recent. You can browse to find the location where you might have been saved your document or the most recent one. Ctrl+S. This will be used to save your document. Let's say you have worked on a certain document, then you want to save it. The shortcut for that is Ctrl+S. You will choose the location where you want to save. You can browse the location where you exactly want to save your document. Ctrl+F12. That is to save your document as. Let's say you had already saved your document by holding Ctrl+S. You saved your document as Microsoft Word doc. Then you go back to the document, you make some changes. So you hold Ctrl+F12 to change the location or to make the changes effective. Now you can give the document the name you want, and the location may be different. Ctrl+P. You have worked on your document. Now you want to print it. You will just hold Ctrl+P and it will display the print window. You're gonna choose the printer or the way you want your document to be like. Alt, then F and R. This will open the recent file or the recent file or the recent document you had saved. Let's say, for example, R+F+R. It will display the recent window. Like today's document are as follows. Still, you can browse to other locations. Ctrl+Z or Ctrl+Z. That will undo the last action you have done in your document. You have created this document and you want to delete this, you delete, but holding Ctrl+Z will undo the action that you have done. You see, it will undo the action that you have done. Ctrl+Y. This will redo the last action. Redo the last action. So you have done this, to redo, to undo, to redo. Yeah, that's it. Ctrl plus X. This will cut the selected text. Let's say you have selected that one. I'm sorry, my font is down. Let's say you have selected that one as your text. To cut it, you will hold Ctrl plus L. This text that you have cut it, you can paste it in where you want by holding Ctrl V. But that's not. To cut, you just need to select, then you hold Ctrl X. To copy the selected text or object, you need to hold Ctrl C. Ctrl C. Let's say you have selected that name or the last part of the document. You need to copy it somewhere else. So you need to first select it as you have done, then you hold Ctrl C, and then now you can select the location where you want to copy it. So you will hold Ctrl V to paste it. Ctrl A. Ctrl A selects all the document, all the contents in the page. Let's try. Ctrl plus A. Ctrl A. It have selected all the text. Now you can copy or cut it or do what you want to do with the text. Ctrl plus V. Let's say you have selected your text, then you hold Ctrl C to copy it. To paste it in a different location, you need to hold Ctrl plus V, as I had said before. Ctrl plus Shift plus C. It will copy the text format. The text format. This includes, let's say, like you are working on a browser, then you want to copy the whole content of the text or the format, how it looks like. This includes the window, the styles. We'll just hold Ctrl plus Shift plus C. So after doing that, now you can hold. So that means you have selected the text and you have copied the format or how it looks like. Now to paste the text format, you will hold the Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Ctrl Shift V. This works well when you are copying an object or a text or a page from a browser or internet. Alt plus Ctrl plus C. You may need to insert a copyright symbol in your document. Let's say you have worked on a document and you want to show the copyright of your document and in order to insert the so you will have to hold Alt plus Ctrl plus C. This will display the copyright symbol. Alt plus Ctrl plus T. This is to insert a trademark symbol. Maybe you are working on an organization and you want to show your document as a trademark symbol. So you have to hold Alt plus Ctrl plus T. It will have the trademark symbol. Alt plus Ctrl plus R. This you will be able to insert a registered trademark symbol. Remember, this one is not registered trademark symbol. So to insert a registered trademark symbol, you have to hold Alt plus Ctrl plus R. And that is the registered trademark symbol. You can see the difference. The euro symbol. Maybe you want to write 200 euros, so you have to hold Alt plus Ctrl plus E to show that it's 200 euros based on the currencies. Alt plus Ctrl plus a dot or a full stop. This will insert a horizontal ellipsis. This works when you have write a document and you mean there is a continuation. By holding Alt plus Ctrl plus full stop, it will be Alt plus Ctrl plus full stop. Alt plus Ctrl plus F. You will be able to insert a footnote in your document. Alt plus Ctrl plus F. That's your footnote. You can insert your name or whatever you want to write to show that that is your document. Alt plus Ctrl plus D. This will insert an endnote in your document. Alt plus Ctrl plus D. That is the endnote of your document. You can still insert anything you want, including your name or any symbol you want. Ctrl plus K. Maybe you have worked on a document and you may wish to insert a hyperlink. So by doing that, you will have to hold Ctrl plus K. Ctrl plus K. So you will have inserted a hyperlink. Provided you know the location where you have saved it, you will need to select and insert it. Enter. Maybe you have worked on a paragraph, you have reached the end of your sentence. All you need to do to have another paragraph is just pressing enter. You will have another paragraph. You write anything you want, enter another paragraph. Shift plus enter, you will have inserted a line break without breaking the paragraph. Let's say you have written a paragraph. By tapping enter, you will have a break. You will have a break between the two paragraphs that you want, but holding Shift plus Enter, you will have another paragraph, but it won't have the space between the break. Shift. So you can write whatever you want, but by holding Enter only, you will have the break. Ctrl plus H. This will open faded replace window. Maybe you have worked on a document so Ctrl plus H will open up the faded replace window in order for you to find a word in your document. So faded replace window. So you can find anything you want, like for example in my document I can find the name video. Then I replace the name with another name after finding. So I will replace it with inches. So all I need to do is to say replace, and you will see my video will be replaced with inches. You can see clearly now. Ctrl plus Tab, it will jump between find the replace menu and the document. So you hold Ctrl plus H to open the find and replace window. Now to jump between the find and replace window, you will have to hold Ctrl plus Tab. Ctrl plus Tab. You can see it is jumping between the find and replace, then the document. You can see clearly. Ctrl plus Tab. Escort. It closes the find and replace window. To use, as I said earlier, by holding Ctrl plus H, it will open the find and replace window. Now to close it, you'll just hold Escort, and you are done with that. Ctrl plus F opens search menu from the navigation pane. Let's try Ctrl plus F. Ctrl plus F. Navigation menu. So you can see it. Now you can search any word and replace, or you can insert headings or anything you want and search for anything. Ctrl plus B. This will apply and remove bold style in your text or the selected text. Let's say I have selected this text. To apply bold in it, as you can see, it has no bold in it. I will hold Ctrl plus B, and the text now has bold property. To remove it, I will do the same. Ctrl plus I. Apply and remove Italic. It will be used as that. You have to select it first, then hold Ctrl plus I. You can see now it has italic style. So to remove it, I will hold Ctrl plus I, the same as I did while inserting it. Ctrl plus U, it will apply or remove underline in your document. Ctrl plus U. So you have first of all to select your document. So Ctrl plus U. You will see now my document is underlined. Ctrl plus U to remove it. Ctrl plus U to add it. Ctrl plus Shift plus W. It will apply and remove words underline. So before I had talked about Ctrl plus U to underline the whole sentence or the whole document, but to underline each and every word, you'll have to select the text first, then hold Ctrl plus Shift plus W. As you can see now, each and every word is underlined separately. Ctrl plus Shift plus A. Let's say in your document you have written your letters or your text in lowercase letters. So to apply uppercase letters or capital letters, you will have to hold Ctrl plus Shift plus A. And you can see the document now is in capital letter. Ctrl plus Shift plus K. In our previous one, we had selected the text and hold Ctrl plus Shift plus A to make the word capitals or in uppercase. But now to return it to lowercase, you will have to hold Ctrl plus Shift plus K, and you will see the size of the word or the word itself changes to lowercase letters. Hold Shift plus F3. You will see you are able to switch between all the cases you want. That is the uppercase, the lowercase, and the toggle case. Ctrl plus B. So let's say in your document you want to apply a certain font style or change from the current or the default font style. So you'll have to hold Ctrl plus D to open the font dialog. And now you can be able to change how it will look like. And now you can see the selected text have changed. Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than symbol. So this will increase the font size by one value. So let's try. So first of all, select the text we want to increase the font size, then hold Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than same. As you can see, my font size is increasing. Ctrl plus shift plus less than symbol. This will decrease the font size by 1. So you need first of all to select the text you want to decrease the font size, and then hold Ctrl plus shift plus less than symbol, and you can see my text keeps on increasing each and every time I hold it. So to increase it, as I said earlier, you need to hold Ctrl plus greater than symbol. So I'll have to hold Ctrl plus equal sign. And now if I can write anything there, it is in the subscript form. After doing that, by holding Ctrl plus Shift now plus equal sign, we'll apply or remove superscript. So in my document here, I want to add a superscript. So I will have to hold Ctrl plus Shift plus equal sign. Now I can add my superscript. Alt plus Ctrl plus H. I will be able to apply and remove highlighted text feature. So I will have to select my text, Alt plus Ctrl plus H. So I have highlighted my text. To remove it, I will repeat the same procedure. So I must first of all select it, Alt plus Ctrl plus H. I'm done with that. So Ctrl plus R, it will align my paragraph. Let's say this is my paragraph here. This is my paragraph. As you can see now, it is on the left. To align it on the right, I'll have to hold Alt plus Ctrl plus R. So as you can see, my paragraph here is on the left align. To align it on the right side, I'll hold Ctrl plus R. And you can see now my document is on the right align. To align your paragraph back to left, you need to hold Ctrl plus L. So first of all select it, then hold Ctrl plus L. It is back the way it was. Ctrl plus E, it will align my text or document center. So Ctrl plus E. It is now in the, my text is now at the center of the document, as you can see. Ctrl plus 1, I will set my line spacing to a single space or 1. So instead of going through the procedure of how to set the paragraph, so I'll have to hold Ctrl plus 1 after selecting. And if I can write anything here, you can see the space between Ctrl 1. You can see the space between this paragraph and the next one. So To line space by double space, I will hold Ctrl plus 2. So after selecting my paragraph, I'll hold Ctrl plus 2. Now you can see the space between the first paragraph and the second one have increased. That is by double space. To align or to set the line spacing to 1.5, I will hold Ctrl plus 5 after selecting Ctrl plus 5. You can see the space between the first paragraph and the second one have reduced. Ctrl or Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift plus S, I will open or close the Styles task pane. So Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift. So Alt plus Ctrl plus Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift plus S. As you can see, I have opened the Styles pane, so I can select the way I want my text to be like or to look like. First heading style or the heading 1 style. Alt plus Ctrl plus 1. As you can see now, the document is at heading 1 style. So to apply the heading 2 or the second heading style, I'll have to hold Alt plus Ctrl and it will continue as that up to the heading you want. So I'll have to select it or select another word, then hold Alt plus Ctrl plus 2. So now my word or the text, it is in the second heading style. Ctrl plus Shift plus S, I will be able to open and apply styles task pane. So Ctrl plus Shift plus S. So now I can apply any heading 1, heading 2, title, subtitle. So I'll just have to apply or reapply. Alt plus Shift plus D. This will help you to insert the current date in your document. So I select where I want to insert my date. So Alt plus Shift plus D. It will automatically insert your current date. Now to insert the current time, you'll have to hold Alt plus Shift plus T. So select where you want to insert your time. So Alt plus Shift plus T. Now you can see your current time is inserted in your document. Alt plus Shift plus P will insert the page number in your document. So you need to select where you want your page number to be. So Alt plus Ctrl plus P. Alt plus Shift plus P will automatically insert a page number in a document, even though you have another page, you hold Alt plus Shift plus P, will automatically insert the page number. Our previous one was page 1, this is now Ctrl plus W. This will exit the MS Word or the Word window or the document itself. So holding Ctrl plus W, it will ask you to save the document. When you say the don't save, it will automatically exit the Word window. Ctrl W. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This was amazing. Please